So we have here 400 grits, 600 grits, 800 grits, 1000 grits, 1500 grits, 2000 grits, and then the big daddy 7000 grits. This stuff is about 2 steps away from being silk. Ooh, 7000 grit sandpaper. Ooh. Smoother than a baby's ass. I'm not finished with Woody quite yet. So a couple of videos ago I took Woody and I encased him in resin and I stuck him on my Christmas tree just for the giggles. Didn't take much care about it because it was just for fun, but now I thought perhaps Woody should be cheered up. He needs rubbing up a bit. Why don't we get this thing smooth? But then I started thinking to myself, how can we sand resin when really all we're doing is scratching it? So this is what I did to Woody again. that's old Woody. I've turned him into a smooth operator. I know you can't see this so good, but the difference is streets ahead from what it used to be. Much smoother. It is like glass. Now, if you were going to be more professional about this, you would then take it from this stage onto buffing. You would use some polishing wax, some kind of stuff. There's lots of them around. Stick a buffing wheel on a grinder or something, and you could fly ahead with that, and you could shine that baby up, and it'd look great. I'm going to leave it here because I've done my purpose. He looks a lot happier than he used to be. You can see how it has been effective, because on the papers that we've used, see the white residue? That white residue is just the epoxy resin mixed in with the water that I've used. It has lifted quite a lot, and this 7000 grit is as smooth as, and you can tell on the coarser paper, I mean this one is 800 grit, there's a lot of residue. It really lifted a lot off, where this, the 7000 grit, there's hardly anything. It really was practically polishing it. That's super smooth. Woody, if you didn't want to go through all this process by hand, you could have done it like this. Now, if you do it by hand, or if you do it by machine, whichever way you do it, enjoy it.